Do you want to stay ahead of compressor failure? Do you want to get the most out of your compressor? Then HOERBIGER has a solution for you. My name is Gunther Macho. I'm the head of digital services at HOERBIGER Compression Technology in Vienna. And today I would like to introduce our new cloud-based analytics tool to you, VISTRA Predict. This new tool will help you to answer the 3 most pressing questions you might have on a running compressor. First, is my compressor healthy? Second, can it be optimized? And third, what is the remaining useful life? How long can it continue to run? Because if you schedule your maintenance too frequently, too often, you have high maintenance cost. But if you risk of running your compressor for too long, then you risk a potential failure and consequential damages which can be costly as well. And this is where VISTRA Predict helps you to make an informed decision. VISTRA Predict uses the data from your compressor to detect component anomalies at a very early stage, like valve leakages, piston ring leakages, and also provide a remaining estimated useful life. And there is no need to be a compressor expert or review tons of data, as VISTRA Predict has a very intuitive user interface providing you with a heat map of the compressor, indicating the location of a component anomaly. In essence, where a failure is about to develop. Not only that, it will also provide you with the evidence in your data and the root cause analysis in order to make an informed decision together with your operation to take the machine out for a scheduled maintenance. But here it doesn't stop, as we are able to support you with upgraded components based on your data and our more than 130 years of compressor know-how. We have created a HOERBIGER virtual compressor, which is a digital twin, and it solves the complex fluid structure interactions based on your data for each of your compressors in real time. And this allows us to identify compressor anomalies at a very early stage. But in addition to that, we use the output of this compressor model and run a machine learning model on it. And this allows us to predict the estimated remaining useful life for your components. Now you might ask which sensors are actually required to make VISTRA Predict work. First, you need head end and crank end indicator pressure sensors. Then we need a suction line temperature and a discharge line temperature. Thirdly, we need a crosshead vibration sensor. And then in addition, we can also include a rod drop and a frame vibration sensor. If you don't have these sensors, we have you covered. We can provide a cost-efficient turnkey installation of our VISTRA Predict DC data collection hardware to get you started on VISTRA Predict. Now, how does this data get to our cloud? We do not connect to any of your systems. Instead, you push a data file in regular intervals to a secure folder in our cloud, which gets then automatically analyzed. Now, what are the benefits for you? Prevent unscheduled shutdowns, increase compressor performance and reliability, increase productivity, save cost, and utilize the full potential of components. Interested to hear more? Then let's connect.